back to my channel. I miss you guys. I've been gone to Bali and Paris for my 40th birthday. I feel that every decade of your life you should celebrate the best way you can, and I was so fortunate to be able to spend it with my loved one. My husband took me to Bali and then Paris shopping. It was such an amazing time of my life, and I can't wait to share it with you. I'm gonna first share my Chanel unboxings, just because I have quite a few items that I picked up in Paris and it's quite overwhelming. So maybe some people just want to see Chanel and other brands, so I'm gonna do a separate videos on each brand, and then I'm gonna make my Paris haul videos where I could show each item. My beautiful Chanel pics when I was in Paris, and enjoy the unboxing with me. I'm so thrilled, I'm so excited. This is such an amazing purchase and I can't wait to share it with you. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Zona. I share videos about fashion, how to style, shopping for shoes, handbags, and I share my travel vlogs and eating out with my handbags. So I hope you subscribe, like my video, and share it to your friends. Cutie right here. Oh my gosh. Let's take it off. And to reveal, let's show this one. It also comes with a little booklet, and how stunning is she? This is from the newest collection, and when I got this it was just 1 week at the boutique, so it's very new. And here she is, the most stunning Chanel brooch. So pretty. I really like it. It has these white crystals. I can't really call it diamonds, but I just call it white crystals, and it has a champagne gold plating. It's just so gorgeous, so beautiful. You actually just really need one Chanel brooch if you have to try to pick the ones that are looking really classic. I would not want the pearl because sometimes they come off, but this is so perfect, so beautiful, so versatile. I could wear this in casual or formal outfits, so it's just so adorable. I really love it. This is it. So this could be in my classic Chanel collection, and I try to minimize buying accessories because of course they're just, you know, accessories. It's not really a real, doesn't have a special gold material in it, so I have to really like them before I decide to get one. And I only want a few in my collections. I'm getting smarter now in this kind of purchase. Oh wow, it has chocolate cake. Beautiful. I hope you enjoy my unboxing from my Paris Chanel haul. Thanks a lot for watching my unboxing, and I plan to do another unboxing and will be sharing that with you, my other items that I picked up from Paris. So make sure you watch them all together, and I'm gonna do a haul at the end. And oh my god, I'm just very thankful, and I thank you to all my subscribers. You are my friends now, you're part of my family, and I hope one day we could meet. All right, have a good day, have a good life wherever you are. Stay healthy and make sure you watch my other videos. I love you.